Wow, guys, look at all the stone that has formed here. This is so interesting. I've never seen something like this ever before. This is so cool. Hi guys, welcome to another US National Park travel guide on boating adventure. We are Sia and Abhi sharing and inspiring travel through our experiences from around the world. In this vlog, we will share viewpoints of the Painted Desert, trails in the Badlands and up close to enormous logs of petrified wood. So stay tuned till the very end. Entrance to this park is $25 per vehicle, or you can use the annual pass just like we did. They are also very serious about their opening and closing hours, with the ranger cars escorting you all the way to the exit upon closing, so make sure you check the timings when planning your visit. Today we are at Petrified Forest National Park here in Arizona. This national park has a painted desert, the highest concentration of the most colorful petrified wood in the world, various hiking options, desert plant and animal species, and so many petroglyphs depicting age-old human history. We are starting from the north side of the park, and our first spot is the Tiponi Point here in the Painted Desert. Here I am at the Tawa Point. From here runs the Painted Desert Rim Trail, and you can enjoy 360-degree views of the Painted Desert from this spot. Here we are at the famous Kachina Point of the Painted Desert. Also here is a rose pink building, which is the Painted Desert Inn, which has a tourist information desk and also a museum. At the Hosho Point, and you can see the Painted Desert behind me. Now we are at the Pintado Point. At Nizhoni Point, you can appreciate all the colors of these hills in the desert up close. And here is the Whipple Point. We are now where the historic Route 66, which used to pass through the Petrified Forest, used to be, just along these telephone poles. This stretch was there from 1926 to 1958. We are now at an archaeological site, Puerco Pueblo, which is a prehistoric settlement that was used by Pueblan community from 1250 to 1380 AD. Now the archaeologists have excavated only 1/3 of the site. It had about 100 rooms and some 200 people used to live here. And you can even see some petroglyphs here, drawn by the ancient men. Here we are at the Blue Mesa Scenic Loop. Blue Mesa is a 1-mile loop trail that descends down from the rim into the Badlands for a walk amongst the painted desert and petrified wood. It is one of the most jaw-dropping and unique experiences that you will ever have, so we strongly recommend this hike when you're in the park. Jasper Forest Viewpoint overlooks vast stretch of the park with scattered petrified wood on the land. Another thing to do here is the Crystal Log Trail. So how the petrified wood is formed is that the bark of trees fell in water years ago and it absorbed all the silica from the sand and turned into stone over time. Make sure you check out the Giant Logs Trail for some enormous trunks of petrified wood, especially in the center of the trail. Agate House, which is a settlement built of petrified wood, and Agate Bridge, formed of a tree log, are some other popular hikes in the park. They do not sell, and in fact you cannot collect petrified wood from inside the park, but there are many gift shops outside where you can get them for free. So guys, that was all from Petrified National Park in Arizona. Make sure you check all the other videos from my US National Park playlist for detailed travel guides on what to do and expect. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you very soon with our next upload.